Good morning, my name is Sebastian Vasquez. I going to buy this weekend. Where I am planning to buy, I want to buy some new certainly we need food for the animal and agriculture supplies. Where where I going to buy things, I going to the market, then I go to the supermarket and offer supply store. We I going with I gone with me Phoebe to look at very soon everything we need with the snacks. We do I need this eating. She need the street to go to work and the animal no, no longer have fog or poison to run the cruise I have planned on the farm.